How to make data corrections through the Assessment Correction Engine interface.
The Assessment Correction Engine, or ACE, is located within the ADE Data Center. To access the Assessment Correction Engine, you must have an active Tri-An account and be granted permission. If you do not have an account or permission rights, contact your school district Tri-An primary manager. The ACE home screen is the starting point for all district and our school reviews. The user's district name will be shown along with all the schools within the district. You can filter by school by selecting the school and selecting the Apply Filter button. The ACE home screen also provides statistical information regarding the number of students who took the most recent state-mandated exam and the number of students who are coded as reason not tested for each subject assessment. To process the data correction, click the Review button. To start making corrections for your district's or school's data, click on the Action button that is located beside each student's record. From there, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to click the Update Upload Document selection. Select the appropriate Reason Not Tested code for the corresponding student and upload documentation. Click the Save Changes button after document has been uploaded. Another correction process you can make regarding your district and school data are demographic changes. Selecting the Review Demographics for Tested Students button will direct you to the demographics page. The only demographic correction that districts and schools can make is to change the recently arrived English learner status for students who are first year in the United States. To upload documentation, click the Action button. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to click the Update selection. Change the recently arrived English learner status from No to Yes if a student is an English learner who has spent less than a year in the United States. Upload documentation using the orange button and click the blue Save Changes button to save your corrections. Once all documents to support requests for corrections have been uploaded, only the district superintendent may submit your corrections to ADE for review. To do so, return to the ACE home screen and select the Submit Corrections button. For your corrections to be fully submitted for review, the superintendent must enter their contact information and upload a signed certification form. If you have any questions, please contact the School Performance Unit by phone at 501-682-7339 or by email at ade.schmail@arkansas.gov.